Natural Zepbound recipe for weight loss. Legit or scam? I'm going to tell you whether the so-called natural Zepbound recipe for weight loss is legit or scam. Despite its claims of being a natural alternative, scammers use fake testimonials, doctored celebrity endorsements, and fabricated stories to lure consumers into purchasing unrelated products like Lift Detox Black. These tactics are designed to exploit the popularity of legitimate weight loss drugs and mislead customers. Zepbound is a prescription medication developed by Eli Lilly, proven in clinical trials to aid in significant weight loss by targeting specific gut hormones. There is no natural recipe that can replicate its effects. Claims suggesting otherwise are unfounded, potentially dangerous. If you encounter ads or content promoting natural Zepbound recipe, it's best to avoid them. Always consult healthcare professionals before starting any weight loss regimen. Relying on unverified and potentially fraudulent products can pose serious health risks.